wah, wee wee. I have a new palette, Nomad Cosmetics. Did I purchase this beret for this video? Yes, I did. Does it have rhinestones on it? Uh-huh. And what about this ascot? Yes, I bought that too, because we're going to France. Raise your hand if you've been to France. Back in 2012, I went to Versailles and Paris. Loved it. So this palette is gorge. It's Provence, France. The cool thing about Nomad is that it's designed on location, sipping rosé in Provence, France. Proud supporter of the Bee Conservancy. How cute. And look at the bees. Do you see the bees? So obviously I have to do some bees. I'm gonna do bees. Now, I couldn't wait. Yesterday, I did a look with the palette, and I'm gonna try and recreate that because it was really cute. I love the purples, I love the yellows. So, here we go. Now, if you haven't done so yet, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that little notification bell so you get a little note every time I have a new video. Make sure to check out my YouTube shorts, and on TikTok, I post there every day. So let's get to it. Nomad also sent me their 4 new lip glosses. These are so gorgeous. I tried this one, and it was super glittery. They're really pretty. Today I'm gonna try the purple one because obviously, I like purple, in case you can't tell. Come on, everybody, get serious. I'm gonna move this up a little bit. It is kind of holding my hair out of the way. It's not raspberry, but close. I'll have to do a TikTok with raspberry beret. Let me do that now while I'm thinking about it. So the look I'm gonna do, it's probably not real surprising. I mean, I'm gonna do the purple with the yellows, and there's a lot of different options here, but I did this yesterday and it was really pretty, and I kind of want to do it again. So that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna start with a small brush and that dark purple. It's called Marche de Provence. Marche de Provence. I don't speak French. I took Spanish in high school. My sister took French, which I made fun of her for because I was like, you're never going to use that. But now I'm kind of jealous that she knows a little bit of French and I don't. But I still make fun of her for it. I'm going to go ahead and shape out, just kind of pat on the dark purple where I want it. And then I'm going to come back later and blend it. I just kind of put it in the shape that I want. Now I'm going with this kind of light pink. What is it called? Rosé. I wish I had some rosé. I just have a pink drink. Close enough. Adding the pink right under the brow and kind of going over the brow just a hint. Branch out a little bit. Using a little bit of that pink to blend out the edges. Also want to use this light purple to blend out that harsh edge on the top there. Also want to put some of that yeller. Got to get some of that yeller in there. Now I'm taking this kind of darker yellow, which, I'm sorry, I can't do my glasses, so I have to hold it back. I'm 40 plus, so it says Maille de Lavande. I could be butchering that, really. Anyway, I added that on top of the purple. This beret is in my way, but I like to extend it. I'm going under the brow and then just kind of bring it out. Nobody says you have to stop right there at the brow. I mean, bring it out. It's kind of a mustardy color-ish. I don't know. Then I'm going to go on top of that with the lighter yellow. Oh, God. Don't drop the palette. Amber. It says Champs de Tournesol. I'm not saying that correctly. I know I'm butchering it, and I apologize to the French people. I'm from Texas. Let's just put that out there. So I'm just putting a little bit of the yeller, the lighter yellow. I'm sorry, beret, you got to move. So it's just a little bit of a fade. Pretty, pretty, pretty. I want to put a little bit of that darker yellow in my blush too. It's pretty. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Just a little bit. Blend it in. Just a little bit. Ooh, made it kind of orangey. I know she meant it to be kind of a dark gray, but it is, I mean, it kind of looks black. But if you really look at it, it's a dark gray. Hautes Alpes. I feel terrible that I'm butchering these names because I don't speak French. So anyway, I'm adding some black or dark gray to that outer V to just kind of deepen before I do my cut crease. Should we go all the way across with it? I don't know. I don't really want it to be black. Yay. I've already done it. Now I'm done it. Blend it, Amber. Blend it. It'll be fine. I didn't want it to be just like black. You know what I mean? So it's hard to do. Once you put it on there, you can't take it back. feel like I need to add a little bit more of the perp. I love this purple color. I think I'm gonna put this same purple in my eyebrows. I mean, I've got purple in my hair. I might as well have purple eyebrows, right? Move on, move on. Cut crease. I could spend all day just trying to get it right. Okay, we're doing the cut crease. I'll put a little concealer on. Then we're gonna blink it up. So we know where to go. One of my eyes is bigger than the other one, so they're always gonna be lopsided, but it's whatevs. I'm gonna use a tiny little flat brush. I know you're not supposed to pull your eye, but whatever. This is how I get a smooth line. Anybody else do it this way? See? Look at that. Comment below if you use the same strategy to do your cut crease. I have to. I know it's not great. I think Manny, MUA, showed this in a video one time, and I was like, you know what? That's how I have to do it. That one's not completely straight. Need to work on that a minute. And then I just kind of blur it out at the end. I'm gonna use for this cut crease 4 out of the 5 shimmers. Just all of them except the blue one, because we're not doing any blue today. We'll do that another day. But 4 of the 5 shimmers I'm gonna use. I'm gonna go yellow to orange to pink to purple. I did it yesterday, it was gorge. Here's what you're gonna need. You need kind of a medium flat brush. And I like to use a little bit of setting spray to help it just stick on there. And can I just tell you how gorge that yellow is? It's almost, I don't know if they meant it to be, fleur de mimosa. Oh, I want a mimosa. I feel like this yellow has a bit of a shift in it. It kind of seems like there's more colors in it, but it's beautiful. I love it so much. It's my favorite yellow. Nomad always does good shimmers. I have another palette from them that has really pretty shimmers. Look at it. It's got kind of a duochrome kind of a feel. Look at it. It's so pretty. Oh yeah. So I'm going almost halfway, and then I'm going to do the orange, the pink, and then the purple, just to kind of blend it all together. Okay, we did all 4 shimmers there. Now I'm just going to get a little bit of that dark purple that we used at the beginning and just kind of tap it on the edge to kind of help it be a little bit more seamless. Just kind of tap it on the edge there. Oh, so pretty. Let's go under. I'm gonna use Callison's, this kind of salmon color. We're gonna go under the eye with that one. This brush is kind of a short, stubby. My brush descriptions are terrible, I know, sorry. Okay, then I go with a flat brush, maybe the black. Excuse me. Dark gray. Oh yeah, it's looking good. Okay. I don't know. Let's use a bit of this yellow. Ooh, that's pretty. The really light pale yellow. I like that. Okay, I gotta do the brows. Oh my god. I'm gonna put some of that dark purple in the brow. I just have a little angled brow brush, just putting it in the powder and just kind of filling it in. I like to back comb it a little bit, go across, and then just kind of brush it back up. Okay, I'm doing just a little bit of this kind of raspberry color, Vendange. I really apologize for butchering all these names. It's this one in the corner. Just adding it to the front of the brow and then just kind of blending it in. I don't know if that looks weird or not, but I kind of like it. I can't believe I've kept this hat on this whole time. I like that. That helps with the pink, right? Little Urban Decay, Heavy Metal, glitter liner. I go on the top about halfway and then underneath. This is just kind of my thing. If you try it, let me know, but I love doing my glitter brow this way. It's the glitter brow for professionals. And if you get a little cray-cray, just get a Q-tip. Q-tip! Clean it up. Look, subtle, glittery, fun. Eyeliner is next. I'm going to use the Nars Climax liquid eyeliner. Gonna trust the process, right? Trust it, trust it. I love the fade on the shimmers. All right, so I'm gonna do the other eyeliner, lashes. I'll be back. Okay, putting the lashes on. When I look at this palette, like it really reminds me of when I did my trip. I went by myself to Paris and it was amazing. The vibe there is just so different. I live in Texas, so just completely different than here. I really loved it. And I went to Versailles and it was amazing. But I took a picture of myself wearing a raspberry beret because I thought that was hilarious, apparently. So I'll just show that here. And anyway, I really just loved my trip. It was kind of my eat, pray, love moment. And, you know, everybody's got to have one of those. But I was really proud of myself. I did some crazy stuff that I won't share because my mom will kill me. But I had a great time. And if you want more stories about my travels, please let me know. But that's one of the reasons why I love this company so much, is because it combines travel with makeup. So, you know, obviously, I love it. So since they are supporting the Bee Conservancy and we've got little bees in here, I wanted to do some little bee artwork and maybe a few of these little sunflowers like this. So we're just going to add a few of those here and there, nothing too crazy. But otherwise, I love this eye look. I love it. Would you wear this? You guys, don't be scared of color. I know sometimes people can get intimidated by colors like this, but like, you just got to go for it. And if you mess up, guess what you can do? Wipe it off and try again. It's not a big deal. Have fun. I've done a bee look once before, like really intricate. I love doing insect design work, but I'm just really just copying these bees here. So these aren't like super realistic. They're more kind of cartoony, but they're so cute. So I'm just starting with some yellow face paint and then I'll go back with the black. Maybe I'll just stick with the bees. I don't know. I feel I never do well. I do really good with insects and like other stuff, but for some reason flowers and anything like plant-like, I just don't do well. Let's just do it this way right here. Okay. I'm now going to pack some yellow eyeshadow on top of that from the palette. That dark yellow, just to kind of set that paint, and then you can come back with highlights and shadows, okay? Okay, here's where we are. I'm trying to do these little cartoon bees. I did one. I started using face paint, but it was too small for face paint, so I had to go to a water liner. This one is from Makeup a Murder liner. I think these are called toxic waste liners. So you just add water, or I actually sprayed a little setting spray inside there and it works really well. So now I'm just starting the second one with the stripes and then a little stinger. Okay, I think I've done all I can do with these bees. I added a little bit of white for the wings and I shadowed around it, a little bit of highlight with some more of that toxic waste eyeliner, but I think they're cute. Bzz. I feel like the flower would be too much. I don't think I can do it, and I think this is plenty just to kind of give it a little something something. Okay, let's do some lips. Okay, I think I want like a pink, so I'm gonna put that purple gloss. This is a Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink. Jeez, I can't see. 180. I can't. I can't read it. I'll have to get my glasses, but it says 180. I don't know if you guys can read that. I don't know what it says. Ooh, that's pretty. Now I wanted to do the purple gloss. Again, can't read the name, but this is the new Nomad purple gloss. I don't know what it's called. Couldn't even tell you. Can't read it. But I tried some of the other gloss yesterday. Oh my God, so pretty. But like what I liked about it is it didn't feel like super sticky. You know what I mean? Like it feels good. Ooh. This one's not super glittery. The other one that I tried on the unboxing video, if you watch that unboxing video, this is the other one that I tried. It's kind of a pinky. This one was really glittery. And then there's two others, hair tinsel, excuse me. Two others, one's kind of a champagne color and then the pink. There's all four of them together. So this is the one we're using today. Au revoir. I love it. I love the look. I love the yellow, especially. I think that's my favorite shade. I'm definitely going to say Amberrific, not just because I got sent it in PR, but I really like it anyway. The yellow is beautiful. The other shimmers kind of go together really well. The purple, purple's my favorite anyway, so anything with purple I'm going to love. Oh, I forgot to add some glitter. My inner corner, just a little pressed glitter moment. This one's a little yeller. Let's put a little bit around the bee and the yellow over there. So pretty. Use it for highlight. Oh my God, I love it. Okay, you guys, I think this is the look. This is it. What do we think? Thank you for watching. I hope you check out the palette.
Why are you wearing those clothes?
Because this is about France. This palette is French themed. So I have on a beret and an ascot. I don't know. Do I look funny or do you like it?
You look funny.
I look funny?
Yeah.
Okay. You don't want me to take you to school in this?
No.
Oh, okay.
Not like that.
Okay, I won't. But I love you though. Make sure you check out these Amberrific products on Nomad Cosmetics. They launch on July the 12th. Thanks for watching. As Joey would say, French it up. Have a great day.